Hi guys, this is Paul Extra Hyperactive. It's Wednesday, October 6th. It's about 5 a.m. Pacific time, and Bitcoin is trading around 51,300. I really hope that you had another good day of trading yesterday. I did a couple of quick trades, nothing major. As I've said in my previous videos, right now we are trading at what I call risk on, in the risk on environment. Right now Bitcoin is getting closer to its local top, something that we had in September. In September it went to 52,725. And if you watched my video on Monday, Tuesday, you know that I told you about a lot of crypto gurus and crypto experts and analysts are calling for 53,000 Bitcoin either this week or definitely next week. And this month, a lot of people calling either 57 or even 63,000. Right, but again, if you know me, I'm a huge bear. I'm very conservative, especially when it comes to day and swing trading. Right, we all know that at some point Bitcoin will go back to 60, and maybe, as again a lot of crypto experts are calling for 100,000 per Bitcoin by the end of this year. It's very possible, and again, that's what we all live for. But as day traders, swing traders, we are here to make money, because as I've said in my previous videos, if you're watching this video, if you're watching this YouTube channel, if you're following me on other social media, you know that as day traders, swing traders, we are here to make money. First of all, for us, Bitcoin, for me, Bitcoin is still a highly spectacular asset. Very manipulated, spectacular, unpredictable, volatile asset, and that's what makes it great to trade, especially on day-to-day basis, especially in the environment that we have right now. The last week or so, it's been huge, and I really hope that you are taking advantage of this. I really hope that as a day swing trader, you're not being greedy. Remember, that's one of the main rules. Always pull profits no matter how small they are, and that's exactly what I will be doing. I'm planning to sell a little bit of our Bitcoin in the trust, betting on the predictions that Bitcoin might go back to 50, if not 50, back to low 40s, at least to 43, 45, if Bitcoin does continue going back to 53, 57. Because if we look at it right now, again, everything is possible. Like I said, Bitcoin is very unpredictable, but there is just not a whole lot of space right now for Bitcoin to go any further than maybe 52. That's what I was betting on. I was trying to close my swing trade that I entered yesterday in a rush. I bought a few $1,000s worth of Bitcoin where it was at low mid 51,000, betting that it would go past 52, but it didn't happen. So right now I'm sitting on $2,000 trade. I've just entered the to close it at 51,500. I don't really want to risk it, even 2,000. But again, as for today, basically that's what I've just said. If you are risk taker, if you believe those Bitcoin bulls, those optimistic people, then definitely you should sit and wait for Bitcoin to go to 52 today. Personally, I would be waiting for Bitcoin to go down, at least at the end of the day. Today already in the morning at 2:30, Bitcoin went to 50,500. And again, we all know if Bitcoin drops, there is a chance for it to retest this as a support level. So basically that's what we are seeing. If 5150 is gonna be the new support level, then yeah, definitely we will be seeing Bitcoin going to 53 and maybe 57 within the next few days. If it goes past 50 down to 49, 47, then there is a chance that we might go back to 40,000s, low mid 40,000s, where we would be playing for a few weeks, which is for us traders is a great thing, and that's what I'm really betting on. I want to take profits right now so I can reinvest when Bitcoin goes back down, and I really hope that you have the same strategy. As for today, like I said, if you a risk taker, by all means go ahead, enter a trade. I would wait for another hour probably you have for Bitcoin to go back down to low 51, maybe even below 51. And like I said, if you are over optimistic, bet for Bitcoin to go back to 52 and maybe past 52. If not, then we can try to close at yesterday's high, which was 51,700. So something like that. Either it gonna go back to try to test $52,000 to go to 53, or it will start its way back down. Personally, as I've just said, I'm gonna close my swing trade if it goes back to 51,500, and I'm gonna just sit and wait today. For those of you who follow me on YouTube, or if this is your first time here, I give a couple options. You can trade with me at no cost to you by joining my free newsletter, where I send signals once a day, whenever I buy, whenever I close. I do more trade throughout the days for my other clients, and if you want to, you can join my secret Telegram group. Another option, if you don't want to sit and trade with me, and by that you have to literally sit in front of the computer just like I do to make your own decisions. If you don't have time, if you still relatively new and you still kind of not sure what you're doing, another option is to join our crypto trust. It starts with only $200, where you can just invest, sit and relax. And as I've just said, I'm a huge bear. I only trade when there's at least 85% chance that we win. So far, as you can see right here, our trust has grown to almost $13,000. It will be less, like I said, if I decide to sell it today, but we've been steadily growing almost every month, and we will be growing even more once Bitcoin continues to $50,000-$60,000. So these are your options. But as I've just said, for today, these are my predictions. Either Bitcoin will try to test 52,053, or it will go slide down. Trade at your own risk. As I've said before, trust no one, listen to everybody, but trust no one but yourself. To be a successful cryptocurrency trader, you really have to rely only on your own knowledge, experience and expertise. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow.